Hi, my name is Jason Lin, the lead developer of Team 11B. Today I'm very glad to be able to show and tell you many things about Optract, the latest D-app from our team. Optract is a new way for individuals to refine what they read online and gain deeper insights continuously and collectively. We view Optract as a solution of information overloads, which is naturally resulting from a highly connected world today. Now, many big internet companies today are trying to solve the problem by becoming a giant central hub for their users to connect and to offer them services. Some provide indexed internet for search. Others provide socially relatable sources for information feeds. But by using these services, their users are, at the same time, becoming dependent and vulnerable to be influenced, manipulated, or even under surveillance. Built with decentralized web in mind, Optract clearly took a different route to solve the problem with its user taking controls. By offering means to collectively assessing the value of any public information streams, Optract aims to bring back the joys of discovery and knowledge elevations from the early days of internet, and is really showcasing what decentralized web can offer to address various internet health issues today. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at what Optract is. We spent the past 2 years building full-stack solutions for developing decentralized web in real peer-to-peer fashions. And yet, for regular people, Optract is just like a newsreader app in the form of browser extensions. They can read any curated articles by clicking on it. And if they like the article, they can simply recommend it by clicking the vote button. Now, one interesting feature that Optract offers is to be able to vote with a short quote from the article. When the vote is confirmed, the number of quotes as well as the actual quotes are available for others to get relevant ideas from the article even before reading it. Let me show an example. So like here, there's a quote that previously been done. So we can read it here. Now, these simple actions from individuals will come together via peer-to-peer network and drives the collective intelligence under the hood. Gamification with incentives is really the core ideas behind Optract's collective intelligence. In short, we call it randomness-infused multi-round votings. Each set of multi-round votings are divided into its own session. Currently, each session is comprised of 2 rounds of votes. The first round, like this one, is open to all members. The second round of votes are incentivized, and it's only available to participants that are more successful in terms of recommending articles that appears into the final list of each session. And with the current design, we only allow users in the first half of success rate percentile to participate. The second round vote. These 2 rounds of votes in each Optract sessions determine the upper and lower boundaries of the selection criteria in a dynamic and uncorrelated fashion, combining with infused randomness, making it difficult to predict or manipulate the results. So in short, the readers are incentivized to act their best and curate great content. The process not only brings them more great articles with hand-picked quotes to read, but could also win them chances to be rewarded with tokens. The whole process is iterative to allow continuous refinement of ingested information streams. Here, we just fast forward to the second round of votes. When users see the golden label appears at the top, they knew that their further participation could win them rewards in tokens. Now, we specifically call the second round of votes Op Survey due to the fact that there's a single question survey attached to each article upon voting. So let's just do the votes. Now, Optract is designed with multi-tiers of service unlocked by token holdings. When enough tokens are redeemed to an account, it automatically unlocks further features in Optract. Here, we're showcasing one of the perks once users earn over 50 tokens, which enables them to curate other articles from external sources. We are also testing decentralized content flagging and jury contract to punish misbehaviors. So let me just show you. And now I'm showing you an external article that is not curated by Optract. And here, when you click on the button, once you have enough token in your account, the system, as well as the whole network, will notice it and allows you to send these kind of Optract curation transaction, which directly curates the article into the Optract stream. I'll just pick the right category and send. So it appears in the next block. And of course, finally, we also integrate Streamr marketplace within Optract. We integrate it to enable data monetizations with opt-in consent from our users. So once turned on, the voting records of this users will be sent to Streamr. Let's give it a try. Let's pick I'll do a quote vote here. Do it again. So now we're voting it, and hopefully we'll be able to see it from so now if I look at the previews, now this the article about Facebook, right, from Futuream, is now appeared to the Streamr marketplace in this stream. So that's about all I wanted to show you today. I think Optract has a lot of idea come together and trying to really bring the decentralized into reality. And we're working on many other ideas and trying to implement them, including further integration with Streamr Marketplace, especially that those survey that you saw. And we're very glad and grateful that to work with Streamr and try to grow this into a reality. Thank you.